Oh, this is nice, yeah.
Hi everyone, we just left the airport and we landed in Bali. And we are at this restaurant. It's called Sari. I'm probably pronouncing it a little wrong, but look at this venue. It's so pretty. You have fish, you have the water underneath you. It's just gorgeous. So we're getting ready to order some food. They did bring us some native drinks with lemongrass and
some other stuff.
And then I don't even know what this is, but we're gonna try it out and see how it tastes, and then we'll show you what our food looks like. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Food was so good. I had a grilled chicken sandwich, as you probably already saw. Very tender, just good food. Like, it was amazing. Really enjoyed it. Okay. Just like that. I'm working.
Don't disturb me.
Don't disturb me, I'm working. Oh, that's cool.
R plus R.
R and R, yeah. Richard Romeo, yeah.
So beautiful.
Oh, this is cool. We're gonna keep this. Thanks.
Chop us by the axe.
Wow.
Lift the back and just chop it, yeah?
This is so much talent.
From Bali, we call it crocodile wood.
Okay.
Crocodile?
Yes. One from Bali, we have hibiscus.
Hibiscus, okay. I've heard of
Like
that
in your
before.
garden.
Yeah.
In Bali, hibiscus a big tree. Timor Island, eastern part of Indonesia, sandalwood is the national wood.
Wow.
Can you smell it? Maybe normally used for scent, perfume,
Oh,
soap,
good.
oil, sandalwood. Wood here. This is the strongest one, ebony wood.
Ebony,
Oh, yeah.
okay.
From Borneo and Celebes.
Okay.
The hardest, the strongest one, and bit happy.
So
Hardest and
ebony
strongest
wood is
wood.
the strongest wood.
Yes.
Ah.
You want to feel the weight? This bit happy.
Yeah. Oh wow. So ebony is the strongest wood.
Yeah.
That's
Not like you see, yeah?
Yeah.
See, it's not
It's
so heavy, but
heavy.
if you try.
Of giving a blessing to the people that come
Wow.
here, whether they have nightmares, whether they have, bad, anything's bad luck, also to clean. Entering the temple is more for quiet, silence, peaceful mind. Yeah, so forget everything, business, job, everything. So more for spiritual. Yeah, wash your face, clean your body, and then get the new clothes. Yeah, and then after that, come inside and pray. You're coming to the temple, and hopefully after that you have good behavior, yeah? Good words with people, smile, good actions and good thought. Shiva, it's creation, protection, destructions. You know, Western people say destructions. Actually, it's dissolution, dissolver of life.
Okay.
Yeah, so Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva is life, birth, life, and death.
Okay.
So that everything is divided by three.
Right.
Yeah, even the temple. Maybe you are wondering why the temple in Bali is open like this. You know, when raining, it's raining. You know,
Right.
Not like church is closed, mosque is closed, Buddhist monastery is closed. Hindu in temple in Bali is open because they believe in that philosophy. You know, birth, life, and death. When you praying, you sit down, not using sandal.
Right.
No,
Right.
not allowed.
Yeah.
You should sit down on the ground. Even this wet, sit down.
Right.
That's why when you go to the temple, don't wear expensive sarong.
Yeah.
It can be dirty. You know?
Yeah.
Just wear normal, clean, you know, not smelly. So let's sit down. So what you're expecting from praying is you get new creations, direct sun, direct energy from the God. And then what is good is still exists and protected. And what's bad is destructed down, washed away to the
So
ground.
that's why destruction is part of the Holy Trinity.
Yeah, so that's why you sit down like this, your body is straight, yeah? You sit down here, and then you, hopefully the God of Sun, giving you new creations, new ideas, anything good. And what is already good here is existed, protected, and then what is bad is going down to the ground.
And being washed away.
So our tour guide today, still the same one, Pancha, is going to show us a coffee plantation, and we're going to taste some coffee. So wish us luck. Apparently there's some coffee that's made from cat poo, and we're gonna possibly try this coffee.
To make the flavor of the rice. If you want to make cake, white rice, and then they take some leaves of this plantation and add water, and they squish, and the water become green. And smells very nice.
they
and
use
they
the-
mixed it in the rice powder.
Use a chlorophyll from this.
Yeah, the color
here.
yes.
Okay.
color.
The lua is a type of cat. It eats the coffee beans when they're ripe. It digests the skin, and it poops out the seed of the coffee.
We already will clean, and after the clean we must open the skin inside,
Okay.
and then you can out the skin, but you can just take only bean, and then this one bean is more clean and more washy,
Right.
and then they finish clean, the bean we process like a Bali coffee, then we roasting over there,
Okay.
so you can clean this by hot water, yeah.
Okay.
And later if you want to drink the coffee, this is not problem, don't thinking about the poo, because this coffee very clean inside. Coffee before the clean, yeah?
Okay. Coffee after the clean,
And this one coffee before
and the coffee before it's clean. And now we're going to try some of the
Cat poo
cat
coffee.
poo coffee. Well, Ronya is.
We both gonna try it.
Huh?
We both gonna try it.
Okay. Alright,
Okay.
babe, you gotta try the coffee and the tea with me, okay?
Okay.
Lemongrass tea, okay? And what is this good for again? Slim body.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I don't want to get too much slimmer.
Well,
but
I
I'll
need to
taste
slim
it.
it. Snatch my waist some more. It's good.
Babe, that's so good. That's
I
delicious.
really like that. That's really good. Lemongrass tea.
Ginger
Ginger
tea.
tea.
This is good for stomach problems.
Okay.
All right, so make sure your stomach good. Ginger snaps. That's what it tastes like. Ginger
Yeah.
snaps.
Oh, it kind of burns going down.
Yeah, it's a little strong. It's a little strong. Definitely good though.
Hurry up, because my arm hurts.
Okay, Rosella tea.
Rosella, is that a fruit?
this one flower.
Oh, it's a flower.
Flower. It's good.
Rosella tea, it's a flower. This is really good. We are eating lunch. It is a buffet style lunch here in Bali. We're right next to the volcanoes. I have vegetarian food all right here. There's rice, noodle, spring rolls, bread, and babe, what are you eating?
just a little bit of white rice. I believe this is chicken, kebab, a little bit of curry chicken. I wanted to get more, but they didn't have it, so I'm just gonna wait till they get some more up there. Some other type fried chicken bits and some French fries. So this is just my first plate. I'm gonna have more.
We just finished our lunch here. It was buffet. It was really good. And a lot of the food here is vegetarian, so that's good for me. If you're a meat eater like Richard is, maybe not so much, but there's still options here that have meat in them.
Being that they had more vegetarian options, I tried a few things, so that was good.
Yeah, and a couple of things you actually liked.
Yeah.
I want to show you guys our view. We're right next to this volcano here.
We are standing inside of one of Bali's rice terraces. It's so nice and serene. Check out the footage, guys.
Now we are at the famous monkey forest.
Wow! Hey, come along with us. This is our last stop of our tour of Bali. And let's hope no monkeys jump on Ronya.
Or on Richard.
They ain't gonna jump on me. Let's go and see.
Let's go see.
Walking to a hidden waterfall in Ubud, Bali. It's way down here. Hope we're going the right direction, which I think we are. I mean, it's walkable, but I mean, can you get down here? I don't know. We're almost there. Very steep hill here. You gotta get down there. I gotta make sure she makes it down safely. Oh, something just fell out of it. Oh, a coconut. Oh, it's a monkey. There's monkeys over here. They're in the tree. All right, we gotta go. Come on. Oh crap! Look at this huge snail. That's a huge snail.
Richard is going to try to get the drone and get you guys some shots of the waterfall that's right next to our Airbnb. Richard is filming the waterfall that is 3 minutes away from our Airbnb.
We're about to go to our host's house to help him prepare for his nephew's wedding on our host's scooter. Let's go. All right. Cruising, yeah. Cruising Bali. He's happy.